In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to branch a conversation in ChatGPT 2026 guide. If you've ever started a big project in one chat and felt it getting cluttered with side ideas, this tool is for you. Branching lets you spin off a fresh conversation from a specific point, so you can explore a tangent without losing your main thread. First, identify your branching point. Look through your current chat and find the exact message or response where it makes sense to diverge. Think of this like placing a bookmark before you head down a side path. This is especially helpful for high-level plans like a marketing roadmap, where you want to keep the master plan clean while you explore related work such as drafting ad copy or mapping a website build. By choosing the right starting spot, you preserve all the context you've built up to that point and avoid repeating yourself. Next, access the branching feature. Scroll to the bottom of the specific message you want to branch from. At the lower corner of that message, you'll see the three little dots labeled More Actions. This menu is attached to the message itself, not the entire chat, which is key because you're branching from that point in the conversation. Now create the new chat. Click Branch in New Chat from the menu. ChatGPT will instantly open a new conversation that inherits everything up to your chosen message. Think of it as a snapshot. The new thread remembers what led up to that point, but it's free to move in a different direction without affecting your original chat. Your main thread stays intact, so you can come back to it at any time and continue as if nothing changed. Finally, understand the benefits of branching. It keeps your workflow organized by letting you store primary content in one place and explore variations, experiments, or deep dives in separate threads. It also improves efficiency because you don't have to re-explain context in a brand new chat, and you prevent the main conversation from getting noisy or drifting away from your goal. And that's it. Branching your conversations is a simple habit that pays off quickly, especially on complex projects. Try it the next time you're planning something big and want to keep your ideas structured and focused. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.